In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate MailerLite with WooCommerce. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard by installing the MailerLite plugin that connects your store to your email marketing account. After logging into WordPress, go to Plugins, then Add New Plugin and search for MailerLite. In the search results, look for the official WooCommerce and MailerLite plugin, then click Install Now. And once the installation finishes, click Activate. This plugin is what allows WooCommerce customer and order data to sync with MailerLite, so it's the foundation of the whole setup. Next, open your MailerLite account in another tab so you can generate an API token. In MailerLite, go to Integrations, find the MailerLite API option, and click Use. From there, choose Generate New Token, enter a simple name such as WooCommerce, and click Create Token. Then copy the API token and store it somewhere secure for the moment. Since this token gives your website permission to connect to your MailerLite account, you'll want to handle it carefully and avoid sharing it publicly. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard and open WooCommerce, then MailerLite. You'll see a field for the API key. Paste in the token you just copied, then click Connect Account. Give it a moment while the connection is verified. Once the account is connected, select the MailerLite group where customers should be added if they subscribe to your marketing emails. After choosing the correct group, click Start Import to begin syncing your subscriber data. Once that's done, head back into MailerLite and open Subscribers. Open the group you selected and check that eligible WooCommerce subscribers are appearing there. You may see synced details like the subscriber's name, email address, order count, total spent, and marketing consent status. One important thing to keep in mind is that customers are not automatically added to your marketing list just because they made a purchase. They must also have accepted marketing. After the sync is working, you can move on to automations in MailerLite. Go to automations and create a new workflow. Choose an e-commerce trigger that fits your goal, such as abandoned cart, abandoned checkout, purchases any product, purchases a specific product, purchases from a category, or purchase frequency. Then build your email sequence, review the workflow carefully, and activate the automation when everything looks right. Finally, test the integration by placing a test order in your WooCommerce store. Make sure the test customer accepts marketing during checkout. Then check MailerLite subscribers to confirm the subscriber was added to the correct group. Review the WooCommerce fields and order details that were synced, and if you're testing an automation, confirm that the right workflow was triggered. Once that all checks out, your MailerLite and WooCommerce integration is ready to go.